Thank you for taking the time to watch the video today. These are just some sample projects that I've worked on in the past. My name is Ken Small and I'm with Small Studio Associates. Our first project is Nevada Realty Solutions, and this was originally done as a compilation of two companies that were co-located. So they wanted a very modern look, and they had some definite regulatory criteria to separate the two uses. The space is now occupied entirely by Nevada Realty Solutions. So you can see we use some really bold colors here because that was the indication that we got from the client and what they liked. We did the interior design here also, so we picked the furniture together with the client. So you can see it's exciting. At the time that this was built, they were really concerned about being able to attract enough employees to come and work there, and so that was their interest in doing it. You're looking into the break room here, and another view of the break room, some nice overstuffed chairs, and black and red were the primary colors in the break area, but in the office area then we went with some tans and some more moderate colors. Now you're looking at open office space with the cubes. And we did the barn door thing to try to make something a little different. There's the receptionist desk. We use these translucent corrugated panels to divide a training area from the reception area and also some conference rooms. This is the IGS office building. It started out its life as possibly the world's ugliest house. The clients really wanted to make it look like a first-class project that would be a wow when you came in the front door. So here looking at, again, one of their kind of cubicle areas. They had a full-time employee that came in and fed the staff. The boss's office, all done in casework. The back area here behind the building, which is a little break area or used for smoking. Zockel office building, several copies of that were built. This is Purchase Pro. Purchase Pro brought their cubicles before they hired us, and they had this squares theme on the cubicles on the glass. So we took the theme of the squares from the cubicles that they had purchased and sprinkled it around the tenant improvement to carry the theme throughout and kind of tie everything together. We also took some of the color selections off what were selected on the cubicles prior to our hiring. And you can see we had some fun with the cube thing, the square thing, and did it in different ways to sort of spice up the space and make it more fun and interesting, and give the illusion of bringing some light into what would be otherwise a boring cube farm. Here's some casework with the square theme again, and one of their reception desks with the cubes in the background. This is Synergenics Medical Institute. And so here you see the receptionist desk, and behind it is a steel curtain. Purple and green are the company colors of Synergenics. We did not pick them. We put in a little bit of brown and some tones to tone it down a little bit, but those were their colors, so we just worked with their colors and, of course, added a little black. A back door receptionist desk, kind of cool. They had quite a lot of their own artwork, which they selected, but we did we designed this conference table for their executive conference room. You're seeing it surrounded by acoustical panels, which are hinged, and behind the acoustical panels are marker boards and things like that. And to your right, you see a couple of big monitors for video conferencing. It really turned out super great. Oval-shaped room, oval-shaped conference table, oval-shaped ceiling. This is a drive-through restaurant, and then there was another car rental place on the same site. This is 24-hour fitness. Now, we started out doing projects for 24-hour fitness, and then they were I'm sorry, it's reversed. We started out working for the Q, and they were bought by 24-hour fitness. So in some of the photographs, you'll see the same building with both Q and 24-hour fitness on it. This is an office building on Jones. Hawaiian Plantation Restaurant, old-timey Hawaiian theme interior. This was a tenant improvement. A lot of stencils on the walls and Hawaiian-style artifacts and thatch bar. This is a car dealership that was constructed in California. There's the queue and the same building labeled 24-hour fitness. This is started out its life as possibly the world's ugliest warehouse, and we gave it this kind of Jetsons modern look. A church that was supposed to have been built in Pahrump, a retail shopping center, Lee's Liquor retail center. So there are tons and tons of projects that we have done that are available for you to see pictures of, or please come by the office and we'd love to show you other samples of our work. Again, my name is Ken Small.